Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Whisk for the best result in Google Labs. Whisk is an experimental tool from the Google Labs that enable user to generate images using other images as prompts, facilitating rapid visual exploration without the need of detailed text description. So how to use the Whisk? First, visit the Whisk page on the Google Labs. Sign in your Google account and start using the tool. Select or upload images. Then choose the image representing the main focus of your desired creation. Pick an image to set the environment or background. Select an image that conveys the artistic style you want to apply. If you don't have a specific images, Whisk can offer a dice icon that generates random images to inspire your creation. Then after selecting your images, the Whisk will process them to create a new AI-generated image that combines elements from your chosen subject, scene, and style, and refine and iterate. If the initial result isn't your liking, you can adjust your image section or add a text prompts to fine-tune the output. Whisk allows for continuous iteration, enabling you to experiment with different combinations to achieve the desired visual. And once satisfied, you can download your creation for personal use or share it directly with others. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.